What's up, guys? Starting today's video. As you can tell, the camera kind of looks different. I'm recording from my phone right now because I left my camera at home, but my package just got here. They are the last piece to the puzzle, I hope. I ordered some RDX injectors because they're going to be plug and play, and I don't have to cut and splice into anything, and I don't need to order like a conversion from my harness to whatever injectors I have. I was talking to Cody. Cody told me that he didn't know what kind of injectors they are, and I was just like, I'm gonna just order a new one, and I know they're gonna be plug and play because that's what it states in the harness description when I ordered it. So I just got me some RDX injectors. I think they're like 410 cc's. Super excited, and I'm about to unbox it for you guys real quick. I just got it, so let's get into it. So here's the package. I'm getting ready to open it up real quick for you guys, because like I said, the K-Tune harness works with these RDX injectors, I hope, so I don't have to like do any of these. But if I do, then we're probably just gonna use it and apply the new injectors with those, which hopefully we don't need to, because I don't want to cut my new harness, because that harness is really expensive. Now, open these up real quick so I can show you guys how OEM RDX injector is supposed to look like. So, here they are. Now, I did a lot of research on these, and the only way you can tell that these are OEM, as far as I can tell on doing research on that, is from the spray down here. The spray hole at the bottom right here. By looking at that and looking at this O-ring down here. Now, to tell that it's OEM, these O-rings are usually green, not black. Some of the aftermarket ones, or like replica version of these, won't have all black O-rings, but that's what it says on the forums when I was looking these up. So I had to make sure that the RDX injectors I was getting was this color with this type of number with this green O-ring, just to know that it's OEM. So super happy with my purchase. I got them for a really good deal, under $100, and as far as I can tell, they look to be OEM, and hopefully I don't have some cheap Chinese freaking injectors and they blow up my motor, kind of like Redneck. So yeah. So yep, that's gonna be it for the video, you guys. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow the shop is not open, so I'm probably gonna be dropping them off on Monday, and hopefully those are the only things left for my car to start, and hopefully my car runs this week, because like I said, it's been out for a really long time, and I'm really sad that it's not running right now, because like I said, the season is over, but I want the car to be running before it starts snowing, so then I can start making a build list, or like a parts list over the winter for next year, and the events that I want to be attending to. The number one event that I really want to attend to this year is ICC, which is coming really quick. It's pretty much next month from now, and hopefully we can get my car done by then. So hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.